It is over. We're now starting capital budgeting. Understanding. That's where we stop. We're still moving on from there. And those of us online, I hope you are with us. So according to this topic, let's just do a small adjustment. Capital budgeting. That means we have money. We want to budget the money so that we can use it judiciously and make what? Returns or profit as the case may be. And I said there are two methods involved. That our cash flow, and there are two types of cash flow, positive and what? The cash inflow is positive, which is profits or returns or income or revenue. But we have cash outflow, which is negative, which is the cost of executing the project. Okay. Now there are so many criteria or methods of evaluating projects. The one we are going to spend our money on and the ones we are not going to spend our money on. So we learned the last time using payback period. If the income that is coming out after my investment can take care of the cost, 1 year, 2 years, I will go for the one that will go for a lesser compared to the one that will go for more years. I will use accounting rate of return. We did some calculation. We got returns. The one that has the highest return, we will invest. The one that has low return, we will reject. And those are the two methods we applied that does not involve discounting factor. Among those ones that involve discounting factor are NPV, net present value. Second one, IRR, internal rate of return. The third one, probability index. Probability index. The last one, which I said is not compulsory, modified internal rate of return. And we started the NPV last time. We have to take it again because our IRR is based on what? NPV. If not, that would have ignored. So we are moving like this. According to the question, we have ERD, help me, project what? A, and here comes project what? B. So year 0 minus what? Is this 5,000? Okay, I was wondering. 8 what? Like that, Abi. Either a full minus or a full bracket. Year 1, help us to 3 5. Second one, 2,400. Year 2, year 2, yeah. Year 3, and this one, and year 4, this one. Is that all? So you get to be a 5. Oh, yeah, now. The last one here. So, evaluate the above projects using A, NPV, B, IRR, and advise the firm on which projects to execute or to administer. So we have used NPV before. Do we need to start again? Okay. We have the answer there, but we have to pull on the table. No problem. We'll just run it. We are looking at NPV, which is the first one. So we'll have to still write the thing back Project A, Abi. This is minus 9,000. Year 1, 3,5. Year 2. We also, this is the method we like, Abi. The other formula there is to get, Abi. I have number 3. 2,5. Year 4. 2,5 also. Year 5. 2,000. So, having seen this, our discount factor was 10%, Abi. It's 10%, Abi. It's that same question we're using. So, GL, discount factor at 10%. This PV, we may add other things because of, we'll just show you this to repeat what we had before. Question A is on NPV. We're solving A, which we have done before. We say here is 1, Abi. You remember? These are discount factor. All this to power what? We showed this before. Today, discounting factor. Now, our rate is 10%, Abi. 0.1. So this 1.1. Year 1 is what? Year 0. We put 0 here. You know, 1.1 raised to 0 is 1. Divide by 1 to be 1. And that's this first one. So the second one, not to waste our time, I would have just put 1 also here, Abi. 1.1 raised to power 1, which is like that. Then 1 over 1.1. So instead of doing it like that, I've gotten the first one. I'll just divide this first one by 1.1. I'll keep on dividing like that till I get to year 5. So I start. 1 divided by 1.1. What do you have? Now divided by 1.1 also. 0.82264. Divide this also by 1.1. 1.3, Abi. Divide this also by 1.1. 6830. Divide also by 1.1. 0.62. Is it clear? Who is not clear? We've got this value. I know we have done it before. But at least we are multiplying, Abi. We got minus 9,000. You know what we got here? How far? Oh. This times this. 185 points. Point good. 85, Abi. Like this, Abi. 3,181. Okay, 181. 0.85. Okay, good. Next. 479.20. 1,000. 878.25, Abi. Next. 1,707.50. Next. 241.80. Those of us online, I hope you are copying. Hello? So help us add this minus. This minus 9,000 plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this, plus this. You get some. What do you have? 1,488.82. So this is positive, Abi. Okay, 60. Okay. This NPV is positive, Abi. And being positive means we should accept the project, Abi, for project A. But let's check the whether It will give us so that we know the one to accept. This project B. Let me change this thing. Let's write cash flow so that it will be clearer. This project what? A. Good. So this one now, we have here project what? B. We have the year. We have the cash flow. We have the discount factor at 10%. We have the present value. This is 0. That one is 8240 with a minus. Year 1, 2400. Year 2, 1900. Year 3, 1700. Year 4, 15. Year 5, 1300. This is also 1.0, Abi. Divide this. You know, it's the same thing with this, Abi. Yeah. So 0.9191, 0.8264, 0.7513, 0.6830, 0.6209. Somebody help us. This is the present value, and this is a minus 8240. Oh yeah, this one is different. 2004 times this. 2181, have it? 0.84 next. 0.16 next. Okay, 1277.21 next. 024. The last one. 8017. When we added everything, was it negative or positive? So what do you have? Minus 10. Wait. Minus what? 1379 plus 0.1. It's minus, right? So the NPV is negative. So it's obvious. When the NPV is positive, we accept. When it's negative, we reject. When it's 0, we have choice. So either accept or reject. It depends on your pocket and how you want to exercise. So, and the bigger one we take. Smaller one because we need more money. I think the one that will generate more, we'll look for always higher. Is it clear? Another question? So from all indication, I can just write here. I can clean this up. I can clean this question. Our question now. Are they writing? Those of us online, are you there? Are you sure you are there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Not the year now. Let's know the year now.
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
Yes, sir. There's a question.
No. Oh yeah, ask. Let's hear you.
Okay, so when we're using the other formula for getting the NPV, that's the one that we have summation CF over 1.
Yes.
So when I calculated that, I did that's for this this project B, I had minus 1378.99. But while calculating for this using this other the tabular method, I got 1379.12. So I don't understand how I'm going to because there's a difference in the number, not much, but at least there's
the only thing is that when you were using that formula, you were not approximating. But this one we are approximating decimals. I hope you remember. We're making it for decimal places only. So there's the
Okay.
difference in the but that does not make you wrong. You are correct, whichever method you like. But you can't
Okay.
use the two at the same time.
Fine. All
For
right.
exam's
Thank you
sake,
so
I
much.
hope you know.
Yeah, I get you now. Thank you.
Those of us online, thanks to that thing. That one we use summation. That I was doing like this, 3,005 over 1 point. We can't use this and this together. Whether choose this or use the other method. But this one is better. It's easy, at least you can see things yourself. But anyone you like, you have, I've shown you to. The choice is now yours. So use anyone you like. Any questions? Can we put this one we stopped last week, Abby? Can I clean this? So, okay.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Now we have all agreed. The decision, Abby. Decision for this question A. Hello. Hello. The decision for question A, which is already in your book, is that we should accept what project what? A, because project A has the highest positive NPV. Settled, Abby. Now, we want to use what? So that we know whether we also accept A or B. So, and when it comes to IRR, this on the board will also help us for IRR. Is that okay? Now we will assume like this. This one has given us negative. If we are going to use project B for us to get IRR, I need to do another one, NPV. That must give me positive for this one. For this one is already positive. I need an NPV that will give me negative. Because the formula works with positive and what? So let's look at project this is 10%. And this is 1,000. 1,000. If I make it 20%. This is 10 of it. I'm doubling it. Sometimes you can triple it. Sometimes you can make it 4. Remember, NIRR is trial and what? Error. It's not cast in iron. No, one of the easy way is that you double. When you double and we do not have negative, you keep on moving on. There is nothing like I will stop here. No. I'm able, but for what I'm seeing is what is small. If I make it double, I'll have it. But this one now is what? As you go back, this is 10%. I may try 5%. So that I can see whether I will get positive. Because the formula for IRR, this NPV of positive and what? Is it clear now? So we take project 1A. What's on the board is still really, I just have to improve by writing TF at what? And I'll get what? Is that okay? Remember, this 20% was not given to me by anybody. Remember, it's trial and error. You keep on trying. But I wouldn't want 50% because it's just 1,000. It's small. As many as 1 million now, I may begin to think a part. 15. And I don't want to try 2 times. I want to just get something minus, sharp. Every time I make 60%, maybe 2 naira. And that means I have to try again. Work plenty for example. So you have here this still one, Abi. Here will not be 4.2. 1.2. I'll divide it through by 1.2, Abi. Divide it by 1.2, somebody. I hope you are following. 1.2. Because our denominator is 1.2. Raised to power n. Here is 0, 1, 2 like that. Just divide by 1.2 makes it fast. 0.833. All right, okay. By 1.2. 0.6. Divide it also by 1.2. 5787. Divide by 1.2 again. 48. Divide again. 4019. I have multiplied. That means we are multiplying this one, this row, this times this last one, like this one times this times this times this. Don't go and use this and multiply anything. We are talking about the cash flow alone. No. Cash flow multiplied the new discount factor of 20%. What do we have? 291655. This one 3,000 times this. This one, this is 3,000. Oh, you have gone to 50 here. So what do you have? 803. Point what? No, that was point 8. Z8 to cover. Z8 to cover. Or 08. That's it to cover. Next. 3,000.
Yeah.
3,208. Oh. I mean 3,000 times. That's 2 of it. 0. Point. Another one. Is this the next one? 144. 6.75. The last one. Number 4. 1205.75, Abi. I can see we are getting negative here. It's very clear, Abi. This is 2. Abi. Oh yeah. Minus 9,000 plus the rest. What do you have? Minus.
I'm getting minus 5.
Oh, who they talk to? Oh yeah, no, not talk. Who they talk? Now you okay? They come. They come. We go understand now. Nothing hard inside this book. You go understand. 543. 543. Okay, minus 5, Abby. 543 point. We agree with this, Abby. Everybody? This is minus. Or you say, add all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 9,000. And this is what we were told should be the answer. Hey, you were saying something. What's the question? And where now? So you know how we got this. We'll just finish it. Now, we have finished A. And we have decided that we should accept project A. Gone. Now, we want to use IRR to know which project to also accept. And IRR has something to do with NPV. Because we have gotten one NPV before that was positive, we'll try this trial. I'll use that. Somebody may want to use 12. My answer. If you use 12 to give you positive, you continue. Your journey is still 5. But I'll quickly use 20. And I'm getting negative. That 20 is, this is the formula we're using. 1.2. Because 20% means 1.2. So what we're saying you should use is this. 1 over 1.2 raised to power 1. 1.2 raised to power 2. 1.2 raised to hyperrate. But this is tiring. That's why we say don't bother ourselves. Just keep on dividing the first by 1.2. Just this way alone. And you begin to get. But if you run this one straight, you get the same thing with that number year 1. You press the calculator with this, you get year 1. Press with this one, you get that year 2. So what we did was to look at the cash flow, multiply the new discounting what? factor to give us the present value. To give us an NPV that is negative, which is good for IRR.
So I
So there must be positive and negative. IRR can only work when there is NPV of positive and NPV of negative. If it's all negative, it can work. If it's all positive, it can work. If one is negative, you must look for another one that will work positive. Without that, it can work. Yes, I quickly do this one. This is already done positive. I have to look for negative. Yeah, yes, what? I'll look for what now? No, this one can. No, remember the original was 10%. When you want to assume another rate ourselves, it's entirely ours. To give it, we're looking for that purpose of minus. Yes, we'll move on to get for negative. For IRR. No. What? If this one is positive and this is positive, we would have chosen the one that has the highest positive to execute the project. Now we'll also double this so that we can see minus because it's positive. Or maybe 15 because it's positive. There's also 1,000. I put that means there was no negative. But now that it's negative, if I increase it, it will continue becoming negative. So I have to go back to see whether it will be positive. But if I try it's not, I have to go back again. Or I just clean that one and try another better one. Is it clear? Not to waste our time much. Continue, I'm hearing you.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Please, this 20% that you are using, is this how we do it?
We'll get the same answer. Yes. I'm hearing you.
Hello, sir. Is it 20%? Is this how we do it in exam condition, or you are just giving us?
Yes, so under exam condition, as well you go do that. This is 10%. It's not compulsory you choose my 20%. You can decide to do 50% if you have choice. All we know, we want a negative NPV. How you do it is now our Allah. But I've chosen 20 by doubling my 10. Are you following? So if you decide to choose another one, no problem. Is that okay? Now, without wasting much of our time.
Hello, sir. I have a question.
Short way.
Hello, sir.
Short way.
The short formula for calculating the that DF 20%. You said we should times it by something. I can't remember what.
Okay. This is the short way. The 20%. The first time is always one. Abi. Can you hear?
I can hear you.
You divide this one by the denominator, which is 1.2, because R is 20%. 0.2 plus 1 divide by 1.2. You divide this one by 1.2, you get this. Divide this one by 1.2, you get the next. Divide this by 1.2, you follow like that. Is it clear?
Hello, sir.
Now,
I have a question.
Yes. Go ahead. You are eating. I can see that.
In a case where,
where
depreciation is introduced into the equation, how do we handle that?
Say we'll come to that anyway. But you know that depreciation is a loss, Abi? Are you aware?
Yes, sir.
Depreciation is a loss. We'll get to that kind of question. Because that one you have to calculate the cash flow yourself. Where the cash flow is given to us now, Abi? That one you'll be calculating the cash flow, which involves sales, minus all expenses, minus depreciation, for us to arrive at cash flow. That's a different thing. We'll talk about that. Almost have understood this one on the board proper.
Okay.
We'll look at past and
all right. Thank you, sir.
Yes, now look at this one. I'll try how many percent? I'm trying. Someone can try 2%. Doesn't matter. It's a choice. I saw 10, and I'm having minus. I believe that half will give me positive. It's just a belief. If it does not give me, I keep on trying until I get the final result. This is one, Abi. So we divide by You know, this is 0.5, Abi. So you divide by 1.05. What do you have? 0.9524, Abi. Divide this one also by 1.05. 9070. Divide the next one by 1.05. Divide again by 1.05. 8227. Divide again. 7835. Abi, is it clear? We now multiply as usual. This is our cash flow. We have minus 8240. 2004 times this. Cash flow times the new discount factor. Oh yeah. Is that 276. Next. 19. 1723 point. Next. 17 times 0.863. What do you have? 1468. Okay. 15.
1234.
1234.
234.05.
1234.05. The last
Yes.
one.
1010.55. 1010.55.
Okay, 1010.
0.55.
10.55. This was negative, I think. What's it negative, I think? Okay, 101. Is this was getting negative, I think?
1018, sorry, 1018.
Okay, since it's still negative, I think, the way we are looking at it. Yes, so without any story. It's minus, I think, minus 509. We should go further again. I will try. Error. Oh, yes, no, the approach, even the other approach sometimes they give you, which will say 2/3 of something, something. You can still apply the formula. It gives you minus. You keep on trying. That's what it's called try about. So we are trying. It's not, you see NPV straight, I mean. The other one says try. And come back. But let me see. If we do 2%, wait, so the way I'm looking at it. We need the one that will give us more. We do 2%. We give us. Now try. You try 2%. Let's see what you can do. Try 2% sharp and see whether I have minus. So that we now adopt that. All you just need to do is to this place times that one. So you try 2%. Let's see. That the one doing the exam better be trying.
2% divided by 1.0.
1.02 years. It's all the same thing. You can even divide, multiply, run again. Let's see whether we can have a positive. But meanwhile, we have done project A, have we? We can get IRR for project A.
Hello, sir.
Let's quickly get it as somebody. Yes, go ahead.
My question is, are you trying to achieve that both project A and project B should be on negative to get IRR?
No, one will be positive, one will be negative together. Like now, let's look at project A. Let's look at project A. Project A has a positive and what? A negative. So we can get IRR. This is the internal rate of return. Will be our initial percentage here is 10%, I think. 10%. This is the initial percent R1, which is 10%, plus NPV at time 1. This is time 1. This is NPV at time 1. So all over NPV 1 minus NPV what? 2. I don't know where there's people that will ask me that kind of question here, but let's continue. I never seen those they ask. Oliver. Anybody asking question here? There was one. I don't know, because when we were asking a question one time, the other I put I left in the right class, so I don't know whether anybody is asking that kind of question. They were asking that bracket or no bracket. Some say bracket, no minus. This is minus there. Minus and minus will be plus at the beginning. You know, Abby? So that's what. It is one. And it is minus. You know, say the result of the NPV has minus. So that's why I'm putting the minus that came from here. The whole of this minus. There must be minus here. And that I'm saying. That if you say you already know there's a figure there, are you following? If you don't put this minus, there will not be plus. So people will just think that this is minus this. There will be minus at the middle. The formula has minus minus. So become plus at the middle. Are you following? There's no plus at the middle. But let's move on first. If you have a question, you can ask. No worry. There is 10%, Abby.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Okay, sir. This project B that we are trying to get the positive NPV. Also, under exam condition, if we have, let's say, for instance, 2 negative, can't we just, instead of wronging it and redoing it, can't we just make use of the formula? So whereby instead of this one turning to plus, it will be negative.
We can use it for doing it. We can use it. I'll tell you what we'll do now. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you.
But let's just handle this. If it does not give us, we know what to do. We can use all the S2 minus. Yes.
Please, from this, I want to know the calculation.
You said?
From the calculation of the table, to know where those how do they get 0.7?
Okay, 0 point what? Is it projected?
Yes, the set of this DEF. How did they
calculate this DEF? Okay. Now, see the formula here. If you can see this clearly, there is a discount factor 1 over 1 plus R raised to power n. For 20% or 10%, whichever, if it's 10%, R will be 0.1. So 1 plus 0.1 will be 1.1. Raised to power 0, which will give us 1. And 1 over 1 give us this 1. Not to waste your time, having known the first one as 1, you just divide by 1.1. Divide this 1 by 1.1, you get this. Divide this by 1.1, you get this. Like that. The same thing happens to this one is 20%, it's 1.2. Divide by 1.2, you get this. Divide by 1.2. Like that, and then multiply by the cash flow to get present value. Yeah. Yes, now that's it. No, this minus is letting you know that the result from this particular bracket is what? Negative. Is it clear? So that's all. So we have here, let me clean that corner. Yes. Were you able to get 40? 2%? Okay, good. We are fine. So this one is 20%.
Please, don't be angry.
Angry.
What are we trying to stop?
Oh no, they angry here. Let's say now they angry. What? We are trying, you know, we are in question what? B. I know question B. B says we should use IRR to advise the company whether they should go with project A or what. We have used NPV to advise the company to go with project what? A, which we all agree about. Now, this is the IRR. This is the formula. Are you seeing it? The highest percent that we used was 20 minus this. So this is 0.1 Abby, plus 148860 all over 1488.60 plus 543.95. And this one is Abby, 0.5, 10%, Abby. Is it clear now? Or remember, this is multiplication so that they can understand. So what we are going to do now is to say 0.1 plus this 0.1. This times this. Somebody else. There is numerator is over 1. So 148.8 point.
148.8.
0.86.
148.8.
Oh, you must get 0.1. Okay. 148.86. Okay, yeah. All over addition of this numerator is what? This plus this. 20.55. Okay. Somebody help us divide this. How do you have? 0.007. Like this, Abby. Okay. Add it together. Add these two together. 0.17, which is 17.3%, Abby. And that is it for that one. We will now check for project B and see which one is higher, Abby, and know which one to choose. You say, when you did 2%, you got what?
104.2.
No, this one is because this board, I have to clean it. If it's exam, you can leave it and show more table, Abby. Oh yes, now because we have tried one, you don't need to clean it, Abby. You create another table. But this board, I have to remove it because what I need is 2%, Abby. So those who did it 2%,
104.
no, 0.980. This one called 0.9612, Abby. 0.9423. 0.9238. 0.905. Oh yeah. This yes. Here in the class. Oh, Allah. Oh. If you raise up his hand and talk now, are you lost? Ah. If they don't understand, they can talk. I know them. And here they come. So here is minus 8240. Okay, what is it? This formula. This formula is IRR for project what? Which we have done. No, that was MPV. We use this same table, Abby, to do MPV. Wait. This formula is IRR for project work. Now I want to do IRR for project work to know which one to choose. We have done NPV for project A and B, and we chose A because A has NPV that's 40 or higher. 0.1. So 0.1 is numerator. Numerator times numerator, I mean, it doesn't change. It's off. Is it clear? This is 0.1 over 1. This is numerator over denominator. Which stage? So this point? I will go here. What would you do? We added these two together, right? This 0.1. Then we divide them and we add them. Remember principle of board mass. What's in the bracket will be taken care of first before we add to anywhere. Abi? And then multiply by 0. You can divide this and multiply by 0.1 before you add to. You can't add to 0.1 without dividing. That's the rule of board mass. So there's no offense, but it's still two decimal. So you should multiply by 100 so that you put it in percentage, you'll be sure. 17.3%. You can't be giving the lecturer assignment. So let it be 17.32% or 3%. Is it clear now? So our 2% stop, how far? Multiply. This one? 2 what? 52.92. Okay, next. 1826 point what? I hope you are multiplying with the cash flow. 17 times this. 1601 okay, 91. Okay. 15 times this. 1385.70. This one multiplied by this. 41. And we added, you said there was positive at 104.26, so it's positive. This 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So is it clear now? We have positive and what? Negative. This is the one that gave us what is it called? The one that gave us positive is 2%. So 2% will start. 2% will start. Then the higher one will subtract from the small one. Is that okay? I hope this settled. Positive start, negative. We started with this one that have positive. This NPV 1. This one will have the NPV 1. This is the NPV 2. Is that one that has negative, that will be 2. The one that has negative, that will be 2. The one that has positive must be 1. As far as the formula is concerned. Positive will start. Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
How did you get 148.86? 148.86.
148. Where is 148? Okay. 148 is still on the board now. This is FPV
No. After bringing it down, yeah.
Okay, yeah. We multiply by 0.1. 1448.60 times 0.1. We got this. And we added numerator together to give us this. Or if you like, divide the whole numerator and denominator, multiply by 0.1. Anyone you like. Any questions? Any queries? Okay, let's start. Come on. Remember, we're still talking about project evaluation techniques. And the techniques we are using NPV. It was positive. That was how we accepted project A. We are using another method of project evaluation called the IRR, internal rate of return. And we are still one, give us 17%. I want to check the second one to know why the percentage will be lower, so that we'll choose this first one and leave the second one.
I have a question, sir.
Go ahead.
Okay, for project A, the NPV gave us minus 543. So in the formula when you're treating the IRR, you still wrote the formula as a minus sign for NPV 2 base 2.
Yes.
Right, minus 543.95 instead of converting the 2 into plus.
Converting the 2 to what?
What I mean is that the answer we got was minus 543.95, and in the formula we had the minus already. So why can't the 2 minus cancel out each other? I don't even understand what I mean.
No, I understand what you are saying. What I'm only trying to say here is that our NPV inside this bracket has a minus. Even if I decide to clean up this minus, you will still put this minus, which will make it plus. Are you following? Not that this minus is attempting to touch this at all. No. It means that what is in the bracket has a minus. And bracket means multiplication. So minus and minus will be plus. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's clear to me.
Okay. Can I clean the board? Okay. So I was started from the second one, Abi. Yeah, for project B. Here will be what? Here will be 2%. 2%. Here will be 104.26. That's the first one that I gave us positive. Yes, positive first. This is out of one positive first. Now 104.26. There will also be 104.26 plus 1379.12, and you get to this level, and the difference here will be 10 minus 2, Abi. 10% minus 2. That will give us 8%, which is 0.08, Abi. Oh yeah, now let's see. So I have finished already. That one we will still solve it. But when you are through with that one, we can clean it up. I can clean it up, Abi. Okay. So for project B, our IRR, yes, I'm hearing you. This topic, I don't want to write the formula now in case some of us are still looking for the formula again.
My question was,
Go ahead.
we now and consider something whatever. But that's how to get something right now. What's going to happen?
The R here is 10%. Here is 2%. Difference 8%, which is 0.08.
Why did you consider how?
No, the formula is always bigger minus smaller at this point. Big minus small. Always. That will not have minus at all. Because our percentage should not have minus for any reason. So the formula cannot be small minus big. No. Because return shouldn't be having minus. I can hear you. That is small, Abby. They is still working, Abby. We'll see ourselves project A. Go ahead, I'm hearing you.
I noticed that on the first project A, MPV 1 is 1488, but on project B, you interchanged it. The first PV, you have MPV 2. Is it supposed to be like that?
No. What we are always looking at, that one that gave us positive must be the first. Are you there?
Okay.
Anyone that any MPV that gave us positive must be our first. And the one that gave us negative, even if we have done it first, must be our second. Is it clear? So we all got 2%. Can I clean this one? Okay. According to everybody, I was saying according to everybody, this is 2%. This is 14026. All over 14026 minus 1379.12. 10% minus 2%. So here is 0.02. There is
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you.
That's not 140. That's 104.26. 104.26.
Oh, thank you, Jerry. 104. Thank you for seeing it from that side. Good. So you add this together for us. This is 104.26 plus 1379 plus 12 is 0.08.
That's 1483.
So anyhow you like multiply, whether you say 0.08 times numerator divided by this or this times this, what do you have? 0.00 like this, Abby. I will go 2 point 0 point what? 2 like this, Abby. That is 2%, Abby. 2.56 what? So which one do I accept? All of them is still working, Abby. MPV is agreeing with IRR. So you can see what we're talking about. So in the evaluation, the two criteria is agreeing. Any other question? You want to see her working and then take decision. You know there's a decision which is supposed to have written somewhere. Decision based on IRR, accept project 1A because gives us the highest rate of return. Then what? Project B. That's the grammar. Yes, I changed it the other time. So what will Abby? I hope that's what we use. Is that? But have you corrected that one for? I said Based on our IRR calculation, project B had what? 2.6. Project A had 17.1. Based on that, our advice to the company is to accept project A because we have highest what? Return when compared to project what? B. Okay, there's an error, Abi. 104 divided by this times this, what do you have? 0.1. 07. Is it like this? I mean, this divided by this times 0.08. Is it like this? How about now? This divided by this times this, what do you have? Limited. What will it be for? Wahala dey. Is it like this? Like this? Our answer is still okay. We just waited our mark and time. Okay. Any other question? So it's very clear. This one has more than the other one. Is it clear? We will also use words on the board. I don't want to change anything. Okay? No, they can't be negative. It's returns. Returns always whole number and decimal. Is that okay? So, but the highest return we have. So this will give us more profit, I mean, compared to what project. We're still getting negative. Negative. We'll try again. We'll try one. We'll keep on trying. But I know by the time you try it 2% or 1%, it should help us. You can assume or lower. But it's more challenging when the first class gives us negative. I believe if you are negative, we have to go back so that we can get positive. And we could go back like that 2%. We'll try 5, it will work. It is not, you try again. Keep on trying. Go ahead, go ahead.
Thank you, sir.
It should be anything you like use. As far as you're using positive and negative, the result will be the same. It must get to something, it doesn't matter. But that will help you to decide.
Hello, sir.
Any other question? Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Please, for the project B, you took the positive one to the NPV. For the project
yes,
B.
The positive one was the propositive.
Okay, so NPV must not the one. NPV one must always be
positive, so that we can work on the formula.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Good, good. Are we there? Not to waste much of our time. Everything we need is see your notes. We don't need too much stress. Yes, because it has the highest return when compared to project B. Is it clear? Can I clear this? Okay.
Please, sir, can you go over that decision again?
They want to fix the value and do what? I know you will have said it. Yes, we'll take that. So, decision is to accept project A because it has the highest what? Return when compared to project what? B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sorry, sir. I need to ask: Do we need to get like a positive one for project A and a negative one for project B for A? I mean, and then a positive one for project B and a positive one and a negative one for project B. Like that's 4 different answers for each of the. That's 2 for each of the projects. Do we need to do that? Hello. Hello.
I'm coming. Well, you said what? Go ahead.
So I asked that, do we need to get a positive and a negative answer for project A separately and a positive and negative answer for project B separately? He
So
said
we
it.
must get positive, I'll get negative for us to work on it. Hello?
I was asking that, for example, like you said, we must get positive and negative, right? So now for project A that we did, now we got a negative answer. And then for project B, after using 2%, we got a positive answer. So I'm saying that for each of the projects, do we need to get positive and negative, or just pick
Yes,
one and get
so
positive for
no,
each?
no. We must give project A. For us to use the IRR, we must get positive and what? Negative. Project B, we must get positive and what? Negative. I know it may look lengthy, but that's the process of arriving at internal rate of what? Return. That's how those go do it. Yes.
Oh, okay. So that means you are saying for each of the projects now, we must arrive at a positive answer and a negative answer.
You have to see, even if project continue to see, you have to do the last one and find out which one we are going to accept. But just that this one gave us just 2 projects. But if the project is up to C or D or E, you have to do everything. So, they don't give up. And you check all of them, which one? Because we have so many projects to choose. We want to see the one that will pay us, that will give us better. But this one is just too sharp. The same formula. The same formula we use now. We're only comparing.
So these two that we just, this project A and B we just did, we only calculated for one side negative and one side positive. So you are saying now that going forward or doing exams, we have to calculate for 4. That is 2 for project A, 2 for project B.
Yes, to find out positive and negative. And from our calculation now, IRR percent is 17.3 and is higher than that for project B. So we accept A because it has highest return when compared to project B. That is the decision, and that's our advice to defend on which project to execute. Is it clear? Can I clear this? Those of us online and those of us here physically? Okay, let's see other ones because the whole thing is on the board. We don't need to waste our time for that other one. That one is probability index, are it? Yeah. Okay. For probability index, we are using that same question. Probability index. PI, probability index, should be present value all over CO. You know CO? Cost at clear or initial cost, you know PV, present value. Look at the board. Let me just use this so that you can know what I'm talking about. This is present value, This is your note already. Without the stress. Now, when we're doing that one, we got this plus this plus this plus this, and we subtracted, But this time around, we're not subtracting. We're just saying this plus this plus this plus this plus this. That's our present value. Is it clear? Oh, this method, present one of all the pro. We are talking about project A. Now let's look at project A. Project A. Our probability index will be the raw present value. Check your notes. You know you got positive 1,488. You know that 1,488. We subtracted 9,000. Add 9,000 back. It will give us the present value. Now. I hope you are getting it. We are not using the NPV tool. That first one we did. that gave us positive, 1 4 something is the positive we're after. So, but you know, for the second project, it has negative, but that's not a problem. For first one now, so it will not give us what? 10488, Abi? 160 over the cost was 9,000, Abi? Somebody divide. What's the minus now?
1.16. 1.16.
1.16, Abi? 5. Good. We have gotten this. This one has settled. Okay, 5-4. We got 1 point, Abi? Very good. Now project what? Project B. I hope you are following.
Yes, sir.
At this time, we don't need to do anything. That's why they let people do it sharp. Because it's already your notes. So it's already your notes now. You don't cut anything. That one be as you get to. But look at this guy. Wait. So see this one. This is what we got first. Hello. This is what we got first. Before we start trying 2%, Abi. So we are on this place. That's where we are. So we are looking at, you know, this is what we got that time. Add 8,240 to this. Abi. This plus this is the present value. Oh yeah, now what's the result? 6,000 60.88 over 8240 having initial cost. I mean, this is our initial cost. You don't need to put minus, so initial cost, that's why we put minus. Minus means that's our initial cost, but we're not putting minus. So what's the result? 1,3. I don't understand. Wait. This plus this plus this plus this plus this is our present value. What's the result? Is this 6,000? Oh. This minus, Abi? Add 8,000 to this. What do you have? 8,240. What do you have? Is this 6? You know, we subtracted before. We're adding back. Or just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's our present value. It's 6,000. Now, this one is our initial cost. We don't need the minus because initial cost has minus. That minus is an indication of initial cost, which is this. This should be what? 0 point, Abi? Oh. Is it clear? It's the same thing. Oh yeah. What's our result here? Okay, forget about adding. Let's calculate this plus this plus this plus this plus this. What's the result? Is it the same thing? Is it the same thing? Just add this. There's nothing wrong. You're only adding this. But because we have gotten this, we say, okay, let's remove this back by adding it so that we'll get this. Or just add. Any other question? Yes. Yes. Well, you can't put negative. That negative is just telling us that's the initial cost. That negative is to tell us it's cash outflow. It does not mean it has minus. The same, but when we are adding, we are trying to get back something. We only say add this back. The minus side is not there. We're only adding this to this. So that we'll get 680. Or ignore this plus this plus this. So this point, we'll get that 6. That's the present value. Is it clear? Any question? What's the result here? 0.1. 83, Abi? Probability, no, probability is 1, Abi. Ranges from 1. So this one is higher, Abi. This one is what? Lower. This is 1 point. This is better compared to this. If PI is greater than 1, we accept. But if it's less than 1, we reject. So our decision is still the same, Abi. We are accepting project what? A and leaving project B because it's not giving us a positive result or what will give us more money for our money. Is it clear? Probability index, settled. If you know NPV, you can know that one. Present value, all over the cost. Is that okay? Those, you know, if you have not done those things before, you will still do this. You do NPV. Yes, now you do NPV to get 1, 2. I mean, no, you don't need anything. It's already there. You just pick it up. Is that okay? We'll take the other one too, so that we know we have finished the evaluation of this small project. The other one is not compulsory. They may not even talk about it. But let's still do it because there's a tendency they say you should do it. That is the modified internal rate of work return. We're still going to do these 2 projects and we'll get the answer as fast as we can. Any question? This one is still at 1 point. If this one is greater than 1, we accept. If it's less than 1, we reject. Is it clear? So that's why we're accepting project A, not project B. Any queries? Project evaluation, NPV, IRR, probability index. Let's look at modify and see how it works.
Hello, sir.
I can hear you. Go ahead.
Assuming project A give us 0.9 something, what would be our decision?
So it's the same thing. Now, this is 1 point. This is greater than having. 1 point is greater than anything 0 point having. Are you there? Even if you approximate, because if I approximate another one night, you give me 1 point something, 1.2. And this one will give us 0 point, maybe 9. So I will still accept A. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Any other question? Good day here. What is how you blow No. This is what we have. And what we have here is this plus this plus this plus. Now we have got it because we minus. We'll now take away this 9,000. So that it will be this.
Okay, so for this PI now, all right.
No, PI is present value alone.
You don't need all this.
We don't need this. This one will be denominator, yes. Yes, this will be denominator. The whole of this will be denominator. That's all. We don't need stress. I said modified internal rate, they may not ask. They always want to use internal rate. But this is modified method, which we now ask. But let's see how it works. Because it's part of what you have there sometimes. Are we there? Let's redefine this thing properly so that everybody can follow. There won't be any, discrepancy or argument, whichever one, or misunderstanding. Let's see how we can handle the whole thing together. This project A, year 1, cash flow. This is 9,000. Sorry. Project A, oh yeah. 1, 3,500, abi? 2. Is it 3,000? 3, 2,500, 4, 2,500, abi? 5. Is that okay? Project what? We have 0, 1, 2, 1, 9, 3, 4, and 5. Now, I don't want us to go back to our note again so that somebody will not mix things together. Yes, we want to use MIR. Using MIR to evaluate the projects above and advise the firm on which projects to accept or reject. That's our question. Now, in that method, because it's still what is called modify. We will do this one and do this one. The formula is already with you. You have the form, but you don't know you have it. I gave you R, Abby, today. R, future value of our present, minus 1, n root. That's the formula. We'll use it. But let's see. Solution. Project A. So I will call it terminal value. Look at the board. This is cash flow times 1. I want to know the future value of 3,000. Future value of 3,000. Future value. Series of what? Future value. I see what I'll do. Future value. Project A, 3,005. How many percent? Our 10% CD, yeah. Our R is 10%. We have not changed that. So yes, 0.1 raised to power 10. Power 4. Agreed. Yeah, what? How many years will it take? Future value of something we invested in year 1. How many years will it take? Oh, now wake up for plus 3,000, 1.1 raised to power 3 plus 2.5 into 1.1 raised to power 2 plus another 2.5 into 1.1 raised to power 1 plus 2,000 into 1.1 raised to power 0. And now I talked about future value of series of what? Payment, are they? Not equal payment.
Hello, sir.
Okay? Series of this.
Hello, sir.
From year 1 to year what? 5. Is this still clear?
Hello, sir.
Future, yes. Future value of year 1. You know how to find future value of 3,000. That will last 5 years, are they? Or 4 years. Because this is year 1. It remains 4. Which you know is always 9, are they? Our formula hasn't changed. Future value, present value, 1 plus. This is what we're using, are they? Yeah. This is the present value. Now, we want to look at what it will be future. Those of us online, are you following?
Yes, sir.
I was going to ask a question that is this the same as when we say at the beginning or at the end, or
is it the same? Is it the same one?
You know, then yeah, you at the point when you were teaching us, I don't know if it's the same thing. You mentioned that when it's at the beginning or at the end. number of years.
Okay.
For the number of
That one of annuity, Abi. Normally, this one is at the end of the year. This is at the end because it's future value. We don't have cash flow. This cash flow does not because estimated cash flow. It can't be at the beginning of the year. It must be at the end. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, good. So somebody press calculator. You can run this straight away for me. This 1.1 raised to power 4 plus calculator must have finished doing all this. Not adding machine. No. This one no be that is the same thing. I was only showing them R. Then later I believe they upload it. And now typing 1.1. Good. So 1.1 raised to power 4, 1.1 raised to power 3, and the last one is there's no need writing that 0. Don't leave it as plus 2,000. Oh yeah. Who is not clear? Nobody is acting? Oh, no. Nobody there. When I get to no good, I will be back to down with. Oh yeah, it's in rich like that. People are busy copying. Oh, look there. People are saying they go try themselves. Nine words. All the whole of this. 168 920 point. Oh, 3
16892.
Okay, 92.35, Abby. You are sure? Okay. If you are sure, that's the future value. Future value of all the cash inflow. The present value. This is our present value. Is that okay? That initial cost is our present value. Is it clear? Now, so to get the MR is what? 168, okay, 892.35 over 9,000. How many years? 5, are they? Minus 1. Somebody help us. Divide this, let's see what it is. This divided by this. 1876. Point eight. 1876. Wait. 18. No, 18. Is it point? 1.8. 1.876 minus 1. Oh yeah. Find the cube root of this. The way I taught you. So that we can round up. Oh yeah, let's just calculate this small thing. We have tried our best for today. 6.65. 6 points. Is this 6 points? You sure? Yes, sure. Okay. Can I be this? Okay. Fifth root of this is this. 1 point. Wow. Nobody be help. Okay. Okay, press your calculator. 1.876 raised to power 0.2. Because this 5 is 1/5. So 1.8769 raised to power 2. Or 0.2. What do you have? 0. Oh, this is 1.1. 1.134. Like this, I think. 2 there. So minus 5 will now have 0.1342, which is 13.4%, I mean, for project A. For project B, okay. Oh yeah, look at the second one, which you can easily do yourself. 1.2400, 1.1, I mean, the same thing. If you can get the calculation on time, 1.1 all raised to the power of 2, 1.5 all raised to power 1 plus 1,300, 1.1 raised to power 0. Somebody quickly help us with that so that our MRR will be the fifth fruits of future value of our present value minus 1. What's the result from that numerator? When next will come, we'll take a question from your past question and then summarize this matter and close it properly. And that's what we have given you the project evaluation for capital projects or budget order and certain. Those are the project evaluations that we have. And that happens to be why somebody was calling me for depreciation. I follow it. So we're able to look at that in the past question and show you how to interpret all those stories and then do the same thing we're doing on the board. On that note, keep on practicing. But let's see what's the result for that. Future value. Everybody is copying. Nobody has. Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
How do you get that fifth root?
5 years. 5 years. Our project is for 5 years, have it? Is it
Yes.
clear? Good.
Now, how do you calculate in the calculator? How do you do
Calculator.
it? Yes.
Okay. Calculator has a fifth root, have it? It has an x square root. Have you seen that? So when you press x square root, you scroll it back and press 5, and you press the square root again and put 2, shift there. So that is that shift? No, there is other one that you scroll back. That's not shift. There's a shift to get x roots. There's a scrolling back, that kind of button that is round. Press the other side to go back and have the first shift. Okay? What's the result here? Somebody was saying something. 11049.74. Good. So here will give us equal to 11049.74 over present value 240 fifth root minus 1. So somebody can divide this divided by this, fifth root minus 1 number, what do you have? Everything. The fifth root of this, just say this divided by this, find the fifth root, which means when you divide this by this, raise it to power 0.2. You get the result. Minus 1, we should get something.
Hello, sir.
Yes, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Please, I'm trying to understand why you multiply 2,400 into 1.1 raised to power 4. I thought 2,400 was the year one, the first year.
Year one, it will last for how many years? You know, we are looking for future value. We are not discounting it, are we? We are compounding it.
Yes.
Which means we are looking for future. So, what will the person at the end of year one will last 4 years, are they?
It will
Our future value will be in 4 years' time, are they?
last for
You know, this is year one. The whole thing is year 5, are they?
5 years.
And from year 1 to 5, now 4 years remain now.
Yeah.
And that's why it's all raised to power 4, raised to power 5, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The 5 years, year 5 will be nothing, are they? Because that's the end of the project matter.
Okay, all right. Thank you, sir. Very
Good.
clear, sir. Very clear.
Somebody, how far with this? I mean, what you? This divided by raised to power 0.2 minus 1. What do you want? Okay, don't worry. This divided by this. Raised to power 0.2 or fifth root of 6 root. Or raised to power 0.2. Which are there? 0.06 44 minus 1. So it will be 0, 6, 4, 4, we're having 6%, are they? 6%. It's not 60. This one still win, are they? This one has the highest rate of return. So with MRRR, we still recommend project what? A. Because project A has the highest return when compared to what project what. Any question? Those are first one. Yes.
Yeah. Please help for this fifth root of 18769. I'm unable to get it from my calculator yet. How do we do it?
Don't worry. If you can't get that in your calculator, just press. You know, say that fifth root is something as related to power 1/5, are they?
Yes, sir.
So that 1/5 means 0.2. So just raise it to power 0.2 in your calculator. Maybe next time when we come, if you come physically, we'll be able to touch your calculator. We can't touch that digitally. I would have tried to do that. Is it clear? So, on that note, any question here?